Hello, art lovers and Marvel fans! Welcome back to our drawing universe. Today we're exploring another character from Guardians of the Galaxy, the empathic and delicate Mantis. If you're as thrilled as I am, hit that like button and let's get sketching. Before we start with our drawing, let's talk a bit about Mantis. This unique character, originally appearing in Marvel Comics in 1973, is an empath with the ability to feel others' emotions and manipulate them. In the Marvel Cinematic Universe, she's portrayed as a naive yet brave individual with a big heart. Starting with the basic outlines, we're focusing on capturing Mantis's distinctive features, particularly her large, expressive eyes and antennae. Her character design is an interesting blend of human and insect characteristics, a homage to her namesake. Mantis's backstory in the Marvel Cinematic Universe is intriguing. Raised by the celestial being Ego, she serves as his empathic companion, helping him sleep. But her life takes a turn when she meets the Guardians and eventually becomes one of them. As we add details to the sketch, let's talk about Mantis's personality. Despite her isolated upbringing, Mantis displays an infectious curiosity about life, people, and emotions. She is innocent, honest to a fault, and has a uniquely endearing quality about her. In the films, Mantis is portrayed by Pom Klementieff, who does an excellent job bringing out the character's innocence, strength, and growth. Mantis is also a character who provides comic relief, often through her earnest misunderstanding of social cues. As we begin adding color, it's interesting to note Mantis's color palette, dominated by greens and yellows, enhancing her insect-like design. But beyond her appearance, Mantis's true strength lies in her empathic abilities. These powers allow her to connect with others on a deep emotional level, even managing to pacify cosmic beings. Mantis's journey is about discovery and finding her place in the universe. From her isolated existence with Ego to her adventures with the Guardians, she learns about friendship, bravery, and the importance of standing up for what's right. As we add the final touches to our sketch, let's appreciate Mantis for who she is, a testament to the power of empathy and compassion. She may be able to manipulate feelings, but more importantly, she understands them, making her one of the most emotionally attuned characters in the Marvel Universe. And there we go, our very own sketch of Mantis. Her character stands as a reminder that kindness, empathy, and emotional understanding are strengths in their own right. I hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. Share your own versions of Mantis and tag me on social media. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drawing tutorials and fun facts. As we wrap up today, remember that art, like Mantis's empathy, can serve as a bridge to understanding others. It's a way of expressing emotions, stories, and perspectives. So, keep drawing, keep expressing, and keep exploring the marvelous worlds of your creativity. Until our next adventure, happy drawing!